Concussions in hockey are a problem for various reasons. One reason is that it may have medical consequences that are long-lasting. And another reason is that when people have a concussion, young people who are practicing or who are playing, like university students or high school students, if they have a concussion at the wrong time, this could have also life-changing consequences.
Inside Science.
I've been playing since I was 8, I think, maybe 7. Skating since I was pretty much able to walk. My dad's a big hockey guy, always worked in hockey, so I've been around the rink since I was a baby pretty much, so just felt natural to play it. I've had 4 concussions, I believe.
To find out how concussions affect the human brain, researchers looked at the brains of ice hockey players in Canada. They took pictures of their brains with an MRI and ran tests before, during, and after the hockey season.
The idea was to map the brains with our advanced MRI scans before they had an injury and then bring them back into the MRI scanner after they had an injury.
They found that concussions damage the myelin in players' brains. Myelin wraps around nerves in the brain, insulating them and helping the nerves send messages quickly. After a concussion, there can be less myelin in the brain.
We saw that after 2 weeks, the brain is still damaged, and then it recovers by 2 months. That's interesting because at 2 weeks, people usually already back playing. They don't have symptoms anymore, but there's still damage in the brain. And since overlapping injuries should be avoided, may mean that these people, based on the MRI scans, shouldn't have not been playing yet.
The first time I got one, I think I was out for about 2 to 3 weeks. The 2 in between, I want to say probably like maybe a week or 2 each. And the last one I had about a month and a half from playing.
We learned that the brain changes over a hockey season. We learned that it changes due to concussion, but we don't know whether these changes accumulate over time, over several seasons.
Researchers say that these results are a good reason to keep players on the bench after a brain injury, even if they don't report any symptoms. And scientists suggest building in more time to recover before players get back on the ice. This is Inside Science.
Inside Science. If you enjoyed this edition, follow us on the web and social media. Powered by the American Institute of Physics and a coalition of underwriters.